Hey y'all, it's tastePINK and I'm back with a styling video for the crochet braids I installed for my vacation in Greece. If you have not watched that video, definitely check it out. I'll have it linked in the description and the card section. But I featured a pre-treatment wash routine that is so important to protect your scalp during the installations to keep this as protective as possible. And I even included a very versatile braiding pattern which gives you the option to wear your hair up in fabulous styles. So definitely make sure that you take the time to watch that video after this one, of course. In that video, I included a number of updo styles and I wanted to show you guys how you can achieve each look plus a few more, sis. So you definitely don't want to miss it, honey, because you can serve looks, possibly get somebody to buy you a drink or two or three, okay? And I'm also going to be showing the back of my hair because that was a big thing. And I want to make sure you guys see the full visual for this install. So let's get right into the slayage. So this is my do. She's still going strong. It's been over 2 weeks, sis. We still rocking very strong. But I got questions about the edge control that I use, and I use the Style Factor Edge Booster in the Hideout, which is a black color, also the Edge Booster in Sweet Peach. Now what I do is mix these two together because this darker cast Edge Booster gel is going to act as a way to like hide that white cast. Now you guys see my jar is super empty, but that just goes to show that I'm actually using this, and I really just love to just swoop my edges to give this look a finished, more polished kind of aesthetic. Now this is a lot of hair. It's 26 inches of hair. Yes, it does clump together, but I'm someone who knows how to deal with that. If you are a beginner, you're struggling, definitely go check out my nighttime routine for the Free Tress Go-Go Curl. I have it linked in the description box. Now, one of the biggest questions I got was, how does this look in the back? Now, sis, you're not going to check me. You know, in the beginning, when I started doing crochet braid tutorials, you know, I had a struggle. I didn't really wear my braids up because my braiding pattern wasn't the best. Okay, now also my elbows are a little ashy in this video, so y'all not gonna come for me. What we're gonna do is drop our best moisturizers in the comment section below so that you can help your baby girl, because I was in a rush and just trying to get this done. But you guys see, because I created a braiding pattern that has individual plaits around the perimeter, it's super easy to kind of fill in those gaps by just using your finger to kind of move the hair and fill in the spaces or the gaps between each plait. So it looks super neat. You just have to be strategic about how you do it and be very gentle in that area back there. But what I'm gonna do is take a medium-sized section of hair and wrap it around the base of this ponytail. And I want to wrap it and keep a firm grip because I'm gonna go around the base of the ponytail twice so that the end of this section ends up at the back. And I'm going to use this clip to secure it in place temporarily. Now you guys can use a deeper color clip, but this works fine for me, and this is one of the kind of fine apple side ponytail kind of looks. So you get what I'm saying, sis? It looks super cute. How are we feeling this look? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. Now from this style, you can do kind of like this split ponytail, and it's very like easygoing. It's something that's very like Janet Jackson-esque. The boys and girls were asking me if I was related to Janet Jackson when I was in Greece, so it really kind of caught me off guard because y'all all say that and I just laugh. So I guess the joke's on me, right? Now the next style is like this kind of space bun look. So I'm just gonna grab the hair and create two little buns. And you wanna keep a tight, firm grip on the hair at the back and use bobby pins to secure it in place. This is a little bit more voluminous. I understand it may not be for everyone, and it also looks a little bit more youthful. So to my younger viewers, or those who are more eclectic, rock it out, sis, okay? Just make sure that you fluff the hair so that it's dense and evenly distributed on both sides and they look similar in size, so you know you're not out here lopsided. And I wanted to take a few curls down. I felt like this made the look even cuter and more girly, more flirty, just super sexy, dainty, you know the vibe, sis. I should have paired this with some hoops and a red lip, but I'm just trying to give you the visuals at this point. Now for my favorite look, this is the mega bun, kind of like the croissant bun. So what I do is take the hair and I'm going to turn it towards the back a little bit, just a little bit, and then I'm going to sweep it, and I'm going to take the end of the hair and just center it right at the back. You don't want to pull too tight. I want this to be super large and like to fluff it out And I'm just going to take that clip and take the base of the clip and secure the ends of the section that I just pulled towards the back. And trust me, it's not going anywhere. I wore this style a lot in that 85-90 degree weather in Greece, and it held up, and I'm so thankful. But then I just also wanted to go in and add a few bobby pins just on the sides. I only use 2. You don't have to overdo it. And you can also, again, take your finger and kind of pull the hair down gently. Don't create too much tension in that area. I don't want you to get breakage. But what look was your favorite? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. I really love this install. This is one of my favorite braiding patterns. It may not look the neatest or the best, but it's fully functional. It gave me the desired looks that I wanted, so I'm excited. But definitely make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, meet me in the comment section, share with your homeboys, your homegirls, and I'll see you in the next one.